The objective of this lesson is to learn the wrap text functionality in Excel. So as you can see here, I have a table with names, results, and grades, and I have my students. The problem with the first student, John Nicolidis, is that his family name is very big and it doesn't fit the cell. So when I come here and I write something, half of his family name is gone. So what do you do in this case? One option would be to just select the column and then you can just make it bigger. But this could work in this case, but what if you have a very long text that goes over several lines? You won't be able to just make the width of the cell bigger. So what do you do in this case? You just select the cell or the cells and then you go on the home ribbon. You have this sign ABC. Once you click on it, as you can see, this John Nicolidis, it will wrap the text and it will go down the line, which is something we want to have if we want to read his full name. Another option to do this, so I'm just going to go back, is to click here in this arrow on the home ribbon and then you get to alignment. And here also you have the option to wrap the text and you say OK and the same thing will happen.